Alright y'all, we out here at Pat Built Performance. I had to take Marcus to pick up his S650. This thing's been sitting here for like 2 weeks. This thing is absolutely dirty, but came to drop him off. I also came to have him order a 3.5 belt for my car because I'm gonna go back to the 3.5. And I think from here I need to go to the dealership and get an oil filter. But check out this GT500 carbon wheels. This thing is nuts, y'all. All right. All right, we got the check engine oil soon, which I think 8,500 is when I need to get mine done, because that'll be at the 3K mark. That's only on because when they did my oil pump gears, they never reset the light. So I think now it's like going off as saying like I'm at 5K, but I'm actually not. I'm like about to hit 3K. So I think we're about to cruise home, and on the way I'm gonna stop at the dealership, get me my oil filter. I'm gonna order the oil online because I do special oil that they don't have at the dealership. But I'm gonna get my filter there, and then okay, I need to drop off some used oil too. But I don't know if I'm gonna go back to the house and then leave. I'll probably just do that a different day. Alright, we headed out of here. Gotta get on the road. Hopefully it's not as busy on the way home as it was coming here. One thing though, once I put these headers on, I don't really care for like the raspiness, like, you know, when I'm like under like what, 2K, 2,500, it's a little raspy. I think that's because of the X pipe. So I think I need to go out and have an H pipe done. But low-key not worried about that. I'm trying to do some suspension mods now and get this 3.5 on. We're gonna stop at a gas station. Actually, probably not. He's about to just run his 8th tank or whatever the hell. It's like literally an 8th tank. He's gonna ride that all the way home. I know that gas light's on. Damn. Tell you what, it's a beautiful freaking Monday, man. 80 degrees and sunny. like 30 back in my hometown right now, so. He's coming back! He's coming back! This dude, bro! Oh, shit! Fucking Marcus, man. Bro, he hasn't been in that car in like 2 weeks. It's weird seeing it, no cap. I'm not gonna lie though, when I go to this 3.5 pulley, I'm definitely gonna miss the 3.25. This shit's crazy. But it'll be safer for the car, and I do plan on, like, if there is like a run where, you know, I'll need the 3.25, I will put it back on, so it just won't be like a every day or every weekend type of pulley. But yeah, now it's time to low-key work on some suspension. I want to do a stop the hop kit and them springs, so that way, first of all, I can stop rubbing, and then hopefully I can get some better traction as well. I wouldn't say I'm rubbing, I'm not rubbing the fender, but it's like the little like mud guard on the towards the front of the rear wheels. Like, I rub on those just a little bit. They're probably like, it's probably like all shaved off by now, but it was shaving a little bit of that like plastic off. Yo, where'd this dude Marcus go? Finally back on my side of town. We just gotta head over to Planet Ford to pick up our filter, and then I'm good to go. I gotta go home after this, do a little bit of work, and shit, a coffee sounds good too right now, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, let me know what you guys, when you're boosted, for any of you, you know, boosted vehicles, what do you change your oil at, what increments? Because I'm pretty sure Marcus does like 2,500 on his car, but I think I'm doing every 3K, because I know, like, before on like my previous cars I would do every 5,000, but now on this, like, I think every 3K is a good number. 2,500, I don't know, that seems like that's a lot of oil changes. I guess, I mean, it's only a 500-mile difference, so it's not like that big, but it just seems like a lot more. 2,500. I'll tell you what, man, this Mustang AC, dude, this shit hits harder than, I swear, any AC, bro. This shit is freezing. Like, bro, it's only up to 4 too. Holy shit. It's like the coldest AC of all time. I haven't been here in a minute. I got some nice colors on the lot. parking here, bro? I'm about to just park right here. This is brutal. Actually, I'm about to just park right here so these people can get around. Alright, let me go grab this shit real quick. Alright, filter secured. I don't know, I swear these came with like a film on like the screw part, or at least in a box, but he just gave it to me like that, so I don't know. I swear they had a film, but maybe I'm tripping. All right. Actually, I go home and order the oil online. Now pretty much go order my oil, work, and then shit, we'll see what's going down tonight. I think some people are going out tonight, but I don't know if I care for the location they're going to, so I might sit this one out. Trying to go to jail, you know what I'm saying? So we might just chill at home tonight. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'm just gonna cruise home the rest of the way, probably put on some music. If you guys are excited to see how the car performs on the 3.5 pulley, make sure you drop a like and a sub. But other than that, I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.